Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying your 3DS model and firmware because installation methods differ. Once done, back up the entire SD card to your PC to protect saves and files. Make sure the battery is above 50% and use a trusted SD reader for file transfers. You'll copy essential installer files next, so don't skip verifying free space on the SD and naming folders exactly. Small mistakes here cause bigger headaches later. You now transfer theme files into the correct directories. Place THM or title folders under /luma/titles/ or the folder the guide specifies. If your 3DS needs custom firmware, install it carefully using the recommended exploit. Once the bootstrap is complete, use FBI or a title manager to install CIA theme packages. Take your time and confirm file names and extensions. Incorrect placement prevents the theme from appearing. After installing, reboot to let changes take effect. You finish by selecting the new theme from the home menu theme settings and applying it. Make sure to test sounds and animations. If the theme doesn't show, double-check file paths, reinstall the CIA via your title manager, and verify Luma config options are enabled. If you encounter freezes or boot issues, power off, restore the SD backup you made, and retry steps methodically. Keeping backups means you can recover without losing saves or progression.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.